Assalamu alaikum everyone. Again, this is Anwar.aljabry. Today I'm showing you here. You see this 2-cylinder air compressor. It's a tire inflator. Mine, it's broken. You see, it was working, but suddenly when I opened here, see this side here, you see, I found this armature here. You see, it is broken. You can see it. You see, this is the other one. It's broken. I tried to put glue or something, just useless. Okay, so today I have an idea. I'm just going to proceed it and let you know. Where's that lid? Sauce. You see now, I made a shape of it, shape of this. See, I made it, it's like heart. See this area. Okay, so I'm going to melt this lid. I'm going to melt it and try to make the same shape. Okay, let's see if it will work or not. Okay, so I'm going to do it, melt it, pour it here, and we'll continue later. Okay, see how I dismantle all this. Okay, just show you the idea how to dismantle it. You see, you have screws here, 4 screws, Allen key. Okay, I have to remove all 4, this side and that side. Then this can be removed. You see, after that you have 4 star screws here. You have to open all this, so it will be like this. You see here, just remove everything out. Okay, see the dust there, how the sand. Now the idea is here. I tried to melt a lid, as I said, but it failed. Then I came with the other idea here. You see this clip? I think you know this type of clip here. It's a 1/2-inch clip. I just put it, and let's see if it will work or not. See? Alright, you see how it's rotates. Okay, just showing you how it is. You see how it's rotates. Okay, like that. Alright, as you see now, I've set this clip here. As you see, you can see it's right, it's rotating. Okay, you see. Alright, see this clip, it's same as this one. You see, this is just my modification. Okay, so let's put everything back, and then we can try it. Let's put everything there. Sorry, just like this. Okay, and then you have put the handle. Okay, then screws everything back. Okay, all right, I've set everything in position, as you see, and now we are going to test. All the terminals been set on the battery. Now let's say Bismillah. Bang! That's good, you see? You can hear the sound of pressure. See? Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. At least I've saved a lot of money, because I almost saved $30. It cost $30 here in Yemen. So I say Alhamdulillah. At least I have to share with you the idea how to repair it instead of buying new one. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. This is Anwar Jabri. Ma salama.